آمالنا نهرا تسيل عذبا كماء السلسبيل ومذكرات في الحياة منها ارتوى.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Our lesson is about today conversation 26. عشان conversation 26 أو wadasheekeysi conversation 26.
Hello, my sister. Hi, welcome. Hello, my sister. Hi, Wadasheekeysi. Hi, welcome. So do. Hi, welcome. So do. Hello, Mister. Hi, welcome. Why don't you marry? Because you are all enough. Truth and teeth are cleared. I'm not older than you. Why don't you marry? Maxaad guursan weyday? Because maxaa yeelay you are all enough. Waad gabowday. Truth, run and teeth iyo ilig baa cleared waa la cadeeyaa. I'm not older than you. Anigu kaama weyn. I'm not older than you. Anigu kaama weyni. I'm not older than you. Anigu kaama weyn. Why don't you marry? Because you are all enough. Truth and teeth are cleared. I'm not older than you. How old are you? Don't you know the proverb which says never ask a man's salary and women's age? How old are you? Dadaad weyntee? Don't you heard me? Aanad maqlin? The proverb mahmaahda which says tiraahda never ask ha weydiinin man's salary nin mushaharkii and women's age iyo naag da'deed. How old are you? Don't you know the proverb which says never ask a man's salary and women's age?
Somali Online Academy. Somali Online Academy.